We're going over logical operators today, and we're going to combine those with some if statements, kind of get more advanced. So what logical operators are, is there are three of them: the and, the or, and the not operator. And what they do is they make it where you can combine two expressions and put them in if statements and while loops and stuff like that. So we're going to start with line 25. We have created two variables named lotto1 and lotto2, and they're both initialized as 7. So in the if statement, you can see that we're going to say if lotto num1 is equal to 7 and lotto num2 is equal to 7, we're going to execute this println statement. So focus moment, just remember that with the AND operator, both expressions have to be true in order for what's in between the brackets to execute. So I'm going to say that again. In order for what's in between the brackets to execute, the AND operator, both expressions have to be true. So lotto num1 has to equal 7 and lotto num2 has to equal 7. So both do equal 7. So we're going to run it and it should say congrats, you won the lotto. So you can see here, congrats, you won the lotto. Now we're going to make one of those statements false. So now it should just say try again. So we're going to run it, try again. So we're going to move down to the OR operator. And the OR operator is two lines up, straight up and down. And that's right under the backspace, or right to the right of the brackets. So it's going to be shift / is what it's going to be. It's hard to find if you've never used it. So what this does is it does combine two expressions, but unlike the AND operator, where both expressions have to be true, the OR operator, only one expression has to be true. So here are our expressions, one expression and two expressions. Only one of those expressions has to be true in order for the what's in between the brackets to execute. So in this case, one of those is true. Lotto number 2 is equal to 7, so it should execute you won half the lottery. You won half the lottery, won half the lotto right there. So now let's make those both false. And it should just say try again. Try again. So the focus moment, we're going to rewind it. The AND operator, both expressions have to be true. And the OR operator, one expression has to be true. We're going to move on to the NOT operator on line 41. And we're going to use some input with this. So what we did is you created an input variable called keyboard. That's part of the scanner class. And the string input, so the user can input stuff. And what we're going to have the user do is the user is going to guess two numbers and it's going to tell you if it's right or wrong. So the first number is 5, the second number is 6, and we have two guesses right here. So we're going to say guess the first number, then guess the second number, and now the NOT operator. So what it's saying here is saying if the number is not equal to the guess, then it's going to print out you're wrong, guess again. Once again, it's going to say not equal. So when you see the exclamation point, just put the word not in front of it. So if the number is not equal to the guess, or the second number is not equal to the second guess, we're going to say you are wrong. Remember, only one of these expressions have to be true for this to print out. And now we're going to say else if the number equals guess, if the number does equal the guess and the second number does equal the second guess, then we're going to say congrats, you got it. So both guesses have to be correct in order for it to say congrats, you got it. So we're going to say 5 and 6, so we're going to run it. It's going to say guess the first number. So we're going to guess 5, and we're going to guess 6. And it's going to say congrats, you got it. Now we're going to do the OR. So we're just going to guess neither of them. 4 and 3. You're wrong, guess again. Now we're going to say 5, which is right, and we're going to say 8. You're wrong, guess again. So this game, basically, you have to guess both the numbers.